Yes, P-A-T-E, pate. Can we all say pate? Excellent. Our ancestors used the pate. One of the purposes, this was their telephone, their communication, mobile. On the outskirts of the village, every family would have a pate. Whenever there's some strangers come into the boundaries of the village, they would hit the pate a certain way if these strangers come in peace, and another different way if they come as a to fight. And the other purpose of the pate is when the dinner is cooked. When they hit the pate, the rest of the family would know, hey, dinner is cooked, ready, let's go home. Unfortunately, that type of knowledge, when the missionaries arrived, it never carried on. But the other purpose of the pate is for entertainment. That, we still got that today. So we're going to explain to you a little bit how to hit the pate, which is quite an art in itself. In any dance team, you have a minimum of 5 pieces of equipment. As you can see here, there's a little bit more than 5. But this pate over here, this pate is called the pate taki. And the purpose of the pate taki is to lead the beat. And on this pate, we have Anthony. Give us a demonstration, Anthony. Give him a hand. Now that beat that Anthony showed us is the slow beat that is used during the Dance of the Year competition. I'm glad he chose that beat. It makes it easier for me to explain to you and also for you to understand. We take you way down here, this pate, where at the end, this pate is called the pate tamanamanata. And the purpose of the pate tamanamanata is to go in between the beat that the pate taki had missed, at the same time hitting his own beat. On this pate, one of our newest apprentices, Matamaru. Do you get what's going on? Yes, good, I'm glad. It's the same beat, hit differently. Over here is the pate tachita. And the purpose of the pate tachita is to go in between the beat that the pate taki and the pate tamanamanata have missed, at the same time hitting his own beat. On this pate we have Philip. Now we're starting to get complicated. Single beat, double beat, triple beat. Over here, this other pate over here is called the pate tamaromaro. And the purpose of the pate tamaromaro, following the same principle, going in between the beat that the pate taki, the pate tamaromaro, and the pate tachita have missed, at the same time hitting his own beat. And ladies and gentlemen, on this pate we have our team leader, Vaidoti Juba. Now we got the smallest pate of the lot, and the loudest one of the lot, and the hardest one to hit. To be able to hit this pate, you have to practice, 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 and then you go to sleep. Halfway through your sleep, you wake up and practice again, practice, and then